AMC is currently trading at $12.43, down 13.5% on Friday's trading, and I want to make a video before we start the week because we have a very important week, and the past two videos over the weekend were not AMC related, so this one is going to be. Hopefully you guys get a chance to watch it before Monday. Without further ado, please hit the like button if you find value out of the video or enjoy watching or just want to get this out to more apes like you guys. It's free, it helps me out. Also hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much again for 16,000 subscribers. Let's get into the video. AMC has had these major sell-offs 2 times in a row, down 75% and then down 79%, and as you guys can see, they do not last long. Every time AMC sells off to this degree, it does not last long, and in fact it comes back even harder than it sells off, and AMC is currently down 74%. And basically what I'm trying to get at here is it is bad. I'm not gonna lie, it is bad, and we're gonna talk about it, but it cannot last forever. So one thing I want you to know on the charts before we move on is that the new low for AMC after the reverse split, after the conversion, is $10.34. This is the bottom the stock has ever hit in its history of trading, so keep that level in mind, $10.34. Now, if I have time at the very end of the video, I'm going to play a clip of somebody talking about AMC on the news outlets, basically regarding sell prices on AMC, buy prices on AMC, and essentially why shorts are trying to push it under $9 a share, but that is for later on in the video. If Adam Aaron can dilute before shorts can push this thing under $9 a share, then we may be able to clear all of the debt. Now, whatever your outlook on that may be, let's move on with the video. Not sure if anyone has noticed this, but the new AMC option chain only goes up to $28. Expensive for average retail to load on calls. Never seen this on AMC. What are they expecting for AMC to do? I saw for 3 years the options chain to $145 strike when the stock was at $5 to $12. That's a 1,000 to 3,000% higher strike than where it was at. Now, only about 100-ish% higher strikes, or will it populate on Monday to higher strike? Now, this is very interesting. On several different platforms, let me know if you guys see it as well. AMC options chain is only going up to $28 when recently, before this reverse split and conversion, it was going up to $145. So if anything, shouldn't it have gone up 10x, then down 10x on a reverse split stock conversion? The new options chain should maybe go up to $1,450. But no, instead it only goes up to $28 and it is expensive for retail. Are they expecting a major move ahead? You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And like this tweet says, tomorrow on Monday is the completion of the corporate action settlement. So get ready for your extra shares to come into your account and make sure they are accurate. Now, AMC has been on the threshold securities list from June 23rd to August 26th so far, and probably will be on it on Monday on the 28th. After 13 days, Rule 203(b)(3 was ignored. After 26 days, this rule was ignored, and after 39 days, this rule was ignored as well, and currently is still being ignored. The US stock market is corrupt and manufactured through criminal organizations. Now, all of us know that AMC has been on the threshold securities list, but the point of this tweet, and the point of me putting it in the video, is basically to state that they are trying to push AMC under $9 before Adam Aaron can dilute. This is all fake selling pressure. They have stacked millions upon millions of short exempts and still have yet to locate enough shares to get this thing off the threshold securities list for over 43 days now. With that being said, even if they push this thing under $9, in my opinion, it looks like there will be a massive short squeeze very soon. And we thought there was going to be one either before or right after the reverse split. And apparently, as of now, we have been wrong. But with the options chain, with the threshold securities list, and with some additional things that we are going to be talking about, it looks like there is way too much pressure built up on AMC for nothing to happen. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And a little bit of a touch on the fundamentals. The best Q3 of all time in 100 years history for AMC was $2.9 billion, which was in 2016. And we broke $2 billion with less than half of the releases and remained 1 month to close the quarter. AMC Theaters was traded 15 times the actual price in 2016. This is the kind of data shorts cannot cheat out. Also, a little touch on GameStop before we move on with more AMC stuff. The price was $22.69 when the media basically said it was massively oversold and that there was a reversal around the corner heading to $30. The result of them putting this out was a decrease of 25% 1 month later, while the price is sitting at $17. And finally, the media is saying why you're almost guaranteed to lose money trading GameStop. So if this is the case, wouldn't you just go with the opposite of the media said? If they're saying buy at $22.69 because it's going to $30, but instead it goes to $17, and now they are saying sell at $17 because it's going to go lower and you're going to lose all your money, wouldn't that just mean to buy because GameStop is about to actually reverse? Now, Slam Corp, this company has had some weird correlation to AMC, and shout out Dave Murphy on Twitter. We're going to cover it in a second, but take a look at this major swing in Slam Corp's chart, which is absolutely random. This company, if you have any DD on it, drop it in the comments down below. But the same exact day AMC reverse split was the same exact day this thing had a major swing, and Dave Murphy put out this tweet. Today was the final day Slam Corp was to enter into a business combination or file an extension. So far, no filing for either. It's weird though that Toronto Dominion Bank, which had a 6% ownership in Slam Corp, filed a 13F showing 5.3 million shares of AMC on August 10th. Also weird that Jackson Financial showed 2 positions today in Slam Corp while also filing 3 new positions in AMC. Bank of Montreal filed their 13F on August 2nd, showing a decrease in their put position against AMC, a call position worth of 15.5 million shares, and ownership of 1.9 million shares. Bank of Montreal owns 2.9 million shares of Slam Corp. Slam sponsor LLC seems to be in Terra. Is this a tinfoil hat theory, or is there just way too much correlation over to Slam Corp, and is this some sort of liquidity pump that correlates over to AMC? Now I want to jump into crypto. BlackRock is secretly buying Bitcoin and nobody knows it. BlackRock is a major shareholder in 4 of the 5 Bitcoin mining companies, being Riot, Marathon Digital, Cypher Mining, Hut 8 Mining, and Terra Wolf. But not only are they a major shareholder in 4 of those, they are now the 2nd largest shareholder in the 4 biggest Bitcoin mining firms. Plus, speaking of crypto and Bitcoin, JP Morgan says the recent sell-off in Bitcoin and crypto is likely near an end, while all of a sudden BlackRock continues to load up on Bitcoin. Now, before we get into the charts and some additional stuff with Credit Suisse, and to close out the video with the S&P 500 and Michael Burry, make sure to pop in the Discord. The link is right under the video. You guys will not regret it. It's $1.99. The education, the stock plays you get out of Discord, compared to the price that it is, you will not notice it come out. So make sure to get in there. Talk with me. I'm in there on the daily. Plus, we have 500 of the most amazing people who talk stocks all day long. We post trades in there, post gains, post losses, and talk stocks. So get in the Discord. Even if you're a beginner or advanced trader, stop paying $50 for any other YouTuber's Discord. This one is $1.99 a month, less than 1 coffee. Plus, guys, I just put out this video, how to read level 2 data and execute breakout trades. Now, a lot of these AMC videos are very important, but if you are bleeding from AMC, make sure to take your trading up a notch and make money on the sidelines, whether that be so you can dollar cost average down on AMC or just make an income while holding your shares, because I know some people do have to sell because everyone's struggle is different, but nobody wants to sell. Upgrade your trading. Learn some basic stuff. Go watch this video on how to read level 2 order book data and execute breakout trades profitably. And I also posted a video on how me and someone else in Discord made over $2,700 in a single SPY trade in under 30 minutes, so make sure to go watch that as well. Moving on, get up to 15 free stocks, one of those stocks each being a Tesla or Google stock, and the rest of them each valued up to $2,000 per stock by just using my link, downloading Moomoo, signing up, and making a deposit of even a penny. A lot of you guys signed up but didn't deposit. Just make a deposit of even a penny or a dollar to get benefits from there. That link is in the top of the video description and pinned in the top of comments. Let's get back to the video.
We rode the underperform rating from $40 2 years ago all the way down to $2 just yesterday, but we got out of the way maybe a little too early, perhaps. But our view is that there's, potentially a bit of a cushion here. And one of the reasons for that is improving fundamentals. And I don't think that's very arguable. The other side that is a little bit arguable is that there's remaining retail traders in the space that could continue to provide a premium valuation on the stock. It's certainly getting pushed pretty hard the last 2 days. So we'll see how far that goes. But a big portion of our premise is that AMC can repay a decent portion of its debt while the stock's trading at premium levels. If it waits too long or if the stock collapses before that, there's still quite a bit of downside. For instance, without the debt payment, and if AMC returns to a fundamental valuation, no longer getting that premium multiple, it could trade as low as, in the $2 to $10 price range. If it does pay off its debt, however, and they can do so or pay down the debt at a significant level where the price is above $9, they could go to, say it's at a $12 price point, for instance, where it's trading today, they can issue over 400 shares and then get to a fundamental trading range of $8 to $10 and then, return to paying a dividend and repurchasing shares from there. And with positive industry fundamentals, that positive backdrop, that would be really positive for them, I think, overall.
Credit Suisse reported a $4 billion loss in the second quarter. These are the same bastards that gave AMC a 90-ish% price target or something crazy along those lines, so choke on that. Michael Burry is now down 42% on his $1.6 billion S&P 500 and NASDAQ short, if he is still holding it. Of course, we don't see that 13F if he closed the position yet or not, but Michael Burry, as you all know, went short puts on the SPY a little while ago, and he is down over $1.6 billion, but in my opinion, this head and shoulders is just forming, and we have not hit the low of the correction just yet on the SPY, so brace for impact. If you want to know my outlook on a few different plays for the stock market opens, get in the Discord because I just dropped those. That is it. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.